This is a data logging demonstration to show how 2 microbits can be linked by radio. This microbit over here measures the data and then sends the value via radio to this microbit here, the receiving microbit, and then the receiving microbit then downloads the data via this cable to the computer. Okay, so what we've got then is a light meter, and the light level is recorded when button A is pressed. So if I press button A, light level 0. Let's try and put some more light on it. So button A, and we're getting a value 20 something or other. Now once that value was received by this microbit, it was sent to here, and you can see it was 203. If I press the button again, light level has gone down to 0, so we come over here and now we can see the light level is 0. Okay, this microbit here, the receiving microbit, has to be paired with the MakeCode editor for the MakeCode editor to be able to receive the data, and so it'll need to show the console device once the microbit has been paired in order to be able to read the data from the microbit. So now as I press, let's try getting some different light levels. So as I press, so I'm not sure what that reading was, but if we come over here we can see it was 238. Let's try something slightly different. 203, I think that says. Coming over here it's 203, and you can also get a graphical representation of the light data as it comes in. And if we then click this blue button here, we can download the data as a CSV file. So you can see here it's saying, okay, CSV file. So we'll save that and let's show that in the folder. Okay, and my guess is that's the file. So if I open that, then the data recordings I've been taking will appear. And then once you've got that in a CSV file, you can load that into any spreadsheet and you can store it or graph the data. So that's a simple data logging system based on 2 microbits radio linked. And obviously because the data is sent by radio, you can have a large distance between the 2 microbits. The code for these microbits, this one here is the transmitter, so that's the one that measures the light level. What it's doing is, having set it to a group that matches the other one, 99, it reads the light level, then that is stored in a variable lux, and then it sends the value of lux via radio, and also I've got it displaying the value. The other script, the script for the receiving microbit, is gets set to the same radio group. I just set lux to 0, and then when the number, the value, is received from the other microbit, I've used the same variable name lux. It'll set that to the number that's been received, and then it'll write that to the via the USB cable to the computer. And that's it. All very simple.